Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your free marketing website. To get started, we'll go up to the gear wheel icon, which is our global settings button in the upper right corner. And then from here, we're going to go down to the section titled Listing Website, where you can manage your listing website, customize the theme and additional options, and we'll select Domain Settings. From here, you're going to want to make sure that the button to activate the listing website is selected. And you'll want to set what you want your company domain to be. For instance, mine is my company. If you want to set up a custom website domain to improve your overall branding for your listing website, you can certainly do so. Just reach out to our sales team and they'll be more than happy to get you connected with that for your account. The next thing we're going to want to do is go to the website layout tab. You'll notice that when you select the rentals page button and you click update, that it makes all of those other features disappear. Whereas when you select the company website and click update, it will re-enable all of those features. When you're on the company website version, you'll be able to update the website title, as well as add a lot of branding information on the home page. And you'll be able to choose your style and media, including a website color scheme. And you'll be able to add a homepage cover photo as well as additional photos to highlight your brand or your properties. On the third tab, you'll have the option to add team members if you have team members as a part of your account. These could be leasing agents, assistant managers, property managers, etc. You can also add multiple office locations. This is in the event that you manage multiple properties or you have rental leasing offices in multiple states or areas. You can add additional locations. You can also add in your social media information if you would like that information to be displayed. Once you have updated all the information on your marketing website, you will be able to view your website here live by simply typing in your subdomain information. And it's going to show all of the information here on your home page, as well as your rentals tab. Of course, if you don't have any active listings, they won't show up. But once you've created an active listing, you'll be able to come and view that information here. And that is how easy it is to create your free marketing website.